This is a man's world. This is a man's world.
This is Dinah Lance,
But it would be nothing.
but she prefers Black Canary.
Nothing.
She's got a killer voice.
Woman or a girl.
But there was some other shit going down that night.
I'm not talking superficial partnerships. I'm talking you and me having each other's backs. The Golden Lions can't just wander into Gotham National Bank. I can. Loans, liquidity, laundering. Look, if you bring your boys into the fold, there are no limits to what we could achieve together. I'm building something special.
I appreciate your offer, Mr. Sionis, but with all due respect, the Golden Lions are a family business.
Fuck family! All due respect, but fuck that! Family's a fucking illusion. You know my family gave me? Nothing! I know what everyone says. Here comes Roman Sionis. He was handed life on a silver spoon. Gin and tonics at 5. Olive the duck. Blah, blah, blah. Fake fucking fucks. But look at me now. I've located the Bertinelli diamond. I'm about to own this city, not just the East End. I am thinking big, baby. And I want you there with me. We could make our own family.
Mr. Sionis, the Golden Lions have operated in Gotham for nearly 100 years. We have no need of your protection.
He's gonna regret that.
Will you sleep on it? Will you do that for me? Run it by that beautiful wife of yours, and I'll come and see you at the docks day after tomorrow. Okay?
Fly from other men. This is a man's world. It would be nothing without a woman.
Woo! Who's having a good time? You are.
Lost in the wilderness.
Food is good. You need any more cocktails?
Lost in the bitterness.
Good health.
He's lost in the loneliness. He's lost. This is the man's world. Wouldn't be nothing without a woman or a girl.
Canary's been singing at Roman's club for years.
Come on!
He calls her his little bird, and he's got her wrapped right around his fancy little finger.